Alright, so now we're ready to export our files for proofing. So what we're going to do is we're going to start over here in the Artboards tab, and we're going to rename this artboard with our file name. So these X's right here we're going to replace with the order and product numbers, so that 19563-1, and then customer, again we're just going to copy and paste that in here. So once that's done, you're going to export for screens. If you haven't already done your key bindings to make it a single key, there's another video on how to do that, but we rebind all of ours to F1. So I'm going to hit F1 and that will open export for screens. And the way we want to export our proofs is we always want to export a PDF so that we've got our editable working file to go back into to make any revisions or to pull that art from. And then for our proofing, we want JPEG 100. You want to make sure your suffix is blank. And then over here, you're going to pick width, and you're going to make that 2400 pixels wide. You want to make sure these are exporting as multiple files, and then we're going to export them in here to our work folder. So we're going to go to CB orders, and we're going to take this top order, and we're going to do Control-C and Control-V to copy and paste. Then you're going to hit F2 on your keyboard to rename it, and you're just going to rename it to match that order number. You're going to hit Enter, and you'll go into it. Then you can open your work files. You're going to hit Select Folder, and now it'll save you in this folder. So you're going to hit Export Artboard. Once that's done, it'll pop up. Just single click on this JPEG here, and then you can drag it over to where it says Choose File and hit Upload Proof. Now, if there's multiple products in your order, you're going to make sure that you get all of your proofs set up before you send it to the customer. In this case, there's only one, so once this loads in, we're ready to send that proof over. Okay, so that's finished loading. So what we're going to do now is we're going to change our product substatus to awaiting proof approval. And then we're going to click this little green envelope, and we want to check who the salesperson is. So in this case, it's Barbara, and we're going to CC her on this email, just so that if they respond to this no reply, somebody will see it come through. And then we're going to hit send, and then your proofs are sent out.